Hi, my beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be taking you step by step on how to make our homemade delicious and crispy bread. So follow us throughout step by step. See how we make it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I'll be using 1 kg of self-rising flour, as well as I'll be adding a little bit sugar and eggs, butter. And then however, I'll be using this butter because this butter is very healthy for you and it helps to lower the cholesterol, so that's why I'll be using this butter. And then keep watching, as well as I have my vanilla. So keep watching, my people. Take you through step by step. It's going to be a wonderful one. Thank you. Yeah, I'll be measuring my fresh milk. So this give you about 400. Fresh milk go in first, and then I also have my evaporated milk. This is 8 ounce. Yeah, my fresh egg will be going in now. I'm using 3 eggs. And then sugar, but I'm not going to be using too much sugar. Here my yeast will be going in now. I'm using 2 spoons, 1 spoon of baking soda, but I'll put 2 anyway. And then my butter will be going in. Whisking time. Yeah, the flour will be going in now. Yeah, so the whisk has finished its job. Manpower, I'm using my hand now to mix the flour properly. Where are you watching from? Please don't forget to like, follow us for more updates, share with family and friends. I'm gonna be sprinkle a little bit of extra virgin oil on it. You can see the color. That's the orange color, orange flavor color that I put on it. I'll be leaving it to rise for about an hour time. I'm going to sprinkle some olive oil on the plate. I'll be covering it with cling film. Leave it for about an hour to rise. Yeah, opening our flour now. It's rised. That's the dough. See? Extra virgin oil so that the bread won't stick. So we're gonna leave it to rise for about 5-10 minutes before we start baking. Thanks for watching. You can use cloth, towel, clean foil, wrap it up, leave it for about 5-10 minutes for it to rise a little bit more again. Then before you start baking, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with family, friends. Thanks once more again for watching, and keep watching. Welcome back, my people. My dough, my flour has risen, and I'm going to the last process now. This is my egg. I'm gonna mix egg. And then give it a little egg on top, just to bring the color, to make the color look more nice and tantalizing. This bread is going for my family that come from Newcastle and Scotland. Just want to show them old school, how we used to make it before. Yeah, I'm gonna be baking my bread for 20 minutes under 160 degree, and then the next one, and this one, the special one, is going in the big oven. It's going to be baked for another 20 minutes under 170 degree. And this one as well. Yeah, this one is ready now. One of them is ready. Wow, can you see it? Wow, see? The last one is ready. It's coming out from the oven. This is the outcome of our bread. It looks so special. This is it. Well brown. So nice. Everything well brown. See? This is it. Please try this at home. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to friends and family. Thanks for watching once more again.